First up, I'm going to rearrange this cabinet, keeping some items but swapping others out. I've got a Barbie-sized bathtub filled with booze. So let's take out this tea set and give this cabinet an adult upgrade. Perfect for Barbie's Life Unfiltered, right? Yes, I'm filling all 3 shelves with alcohol. It really fits the unfiltered theme, don't you think? Now let's add wine glasses. Whoops, dropped it, but don't worry, it's plastic, so no harm done. Next, a miniature toaster and coffee machine. Classic kitchen essentials. I'll also add this water jar and some cups. They're a bit smaller than I hoped for, but for $2, I'm not complaining. Now let's add one more glass cabinet. The clear organizer is from the dollar store. And look at this china set I got from Temu. It's so detailed and realistic. It'll definitely add some elegance to the kitchen. And on the bottom shelf, I'm adding some wine bottles in a case. Done. Next, I've got this art frame from the dollar store. I want to hang it next to another one. It's a bit heavy though, so I'm swapping out the inside for foam boards to make it lighter. The process of removing the frame is super satisfying. Now I can take out the frame. Cutting the foam boards to fit inside. Let's glue it onto the boards. I've hung it a little high to give the kitchen that lofty, elegant feel. Now let's move on to the cupboard I'm making to go next to the sink. This is where the dish rack will sit. And now the fun begins, cutting and wrapping. I'm wrapping the top with marble contact paper. And here I have the top, back, sides, bottom, and shelves. I will cover them and glue it all together. Just one more round of wrapping and done. Whoops, I made a little mistake. It's a bit wider than I wanted. I had to turn the cover sideways, but it actually looks better this way. Next up, the dish rack. This was honestly harder than all the wrapping combined. I'm using wire from the dollar store to make the frame. For the tray, I'm using a lid of a mini plastic container, also from the dollar store. I'm cutting the lid to size. And it's cute. Now I'm swapping this plant pot for some new ones that I'm crafting myself. First, I cut foam boards. Let's check the size. Yes, it looks perfect. Let's glue them together. I'm wrapping the top edges with marble contact paper and covering the rest with thick white paper. It hides the rough cuts on the foam boards and gives it a clean finish. The pot is ready. Time to add the artificial plant. No glue here. I'm filling the pot with stones to keep the plant in place naturally. Plus, the stones will help keep the pot sturdy. A win for lazy crafting. A little moss on top. And we're done. It's got that modern, minimal look that I was going for. For the next plant pot, I'm using a branch from an artificial monstera bush. Let's shape it with some wire. And then I will cut foam boards, glue them together, and wrap, just like the first pot. This time, I'm only putting a few stones at the bottom to keep it steady. I'm attaching a stone to the plant with wire to secure it in place. Done! This one's going next to the kitchen island. Now, let's attach magnets to the cabinet doors to keep them shut. It's a bit trickier than I expected. I think super glue would probably work better than the glue gun here. I'm using a clear plastic case from the super glue packaging as a pot and pairing it with an artificial bush. I shaped the plant with wire and used a glue gun to secure it inside the case. To keep it steady, I added some stones. Now it's going right on the wall cabinet. And I added some plates to the wall cabinet. And done. It's done. The kitchen is looking much better now, just how I imagined it. It's got that minimal modern aesthetic I was aiming for. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe. There are plenty more crafting projects on the way.